Arrow Tru-Line is the market-leading manufacturer and distributor of metal garage door components and hardware. Today, we take a look at how the manufacturing process for a garage door hinge has evolved from a manual process into a fully automated process. Each phase of this evolution has helped meet KPI targets, create equity value, and make measurable improvements to manufacturers' lives.
How we did it in the very early stages of garage door hinges is a manual process. What we would do, we'd take two tubes, we'd set them on a manual press like this. We would put the universal with the numbered leaf, we'd put it on, push it back, and then we'd hit two buttons, bring it out, press it, and then it would be a hinge. We'd throw it in a box. Again, it's a very manual process. It took a long time. So from there, we had to evolve to get better, more efficient, so we could get more hinges out. So in the early 80s, we developed a semi-automatic hinge machine. What we're doing here is the tubes drop from a tube drop onto these plates. We're taking the numbered leaf and the universal, and we're putting them together. They're getting crimped right here. They get ejected and then go up into the packaging.
In both the manual and semi-automated hinge assembly processes, the manufacturer is performing a tedious and repetitive process for long periods of time. These roles are difficult to hire for and have high turnover rates.
So what we're doing here is we're taking steel that's coiled steel, we're running it through our new Oberg die. Our new Oberg die gives us one universal and one numbered leaf every hit. They each run up this inclined conveyor. The hinge leaves are gravity fed into a bowl. The bowl feeds them into an inline. The bots then place them on the plates. They get moved around like a slide puzzle on here. The tube gets inserted, it gets crimped. Then it gets a camera check to make sure the quality is there, and then it either gets rejected or it gets packed at the end.
The automation solutions installed during our hold period have increased throughput, but the benefit isn't just financial. Each manufacturer's role in the hinge assembly process is more meaningful, improving job quality and expanding roles. The evolution of this process exemplifies our commitment to creating equity value while improving the lives of employees across our portfolio.